Hello student, in previous videos we have solved exercise 1b from question number 1 to 5th, and now today we will solve question number 6 simplify. Here we solve question number first. Question number first here given, simplify first. Minus 8 into 9 plus minus 8 into 7. Student, here you see carefully, here minus 8 into 9 plus minus 8 into 7. It means, student, here this is first term and this is second term, and in both terms here we see that minus 8 and here also minus 8. It means, student, here minus 8 and minus 8 दोनों टर्म्स में इक्वल सेम है, so we take common minus 8 out of the bracket. So here it can be written as minus 8 into, in bracket here we write left integers 9 and here 7. Here 9 plus 7. Now student, in previous videos you have learnt about properties of integers. Which type of property this? You have no? Yes, distributive property. Student, we know that when three integers a into, in bracket b plus c, then we multiply a with b and a with c, then we get a into b plus a into c, and here a and a common. Similarly here you see minus 8, suppose a and in bracket b plus c. So student, here minus 8 common, then we write out of the bracket minus 8 and in bracket we write the left integers 9 plus 7. Now we solve minus 8 into 9 plus 7. Add 9 and 7, 16. Next we multiply. Here minus 8 into 16. 8 negative and 16 positive. Then our answer is in negative. 16 8 ja 128. This is your answer. So student, question number 6 have the questions 1 to 8 and all questions have same type. So student, please do yourself, if you any problem so you asked me, okay? And question number 9 also you do in homework. And now we comes to our question number 8. Here given, in a class test containing 8 questions, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are awarded for every incorrect answer and 0 for each question not attempted. It means, student, here in a class test containing 10 question, क्लास टेस्ट में जो है 10 क्वेश्चन थे और उसमें 5 मार्क्स आर अवार्डेड फॉर एवरी करेक्ट आंसर. तो 10 क्वेश्चन में जो 5 एवरी करेक्ट आंसर यानी एक करेक्ट आंसर के लिए 5 मार्क्स थे और एवरी इनकरेक्ट आंसर और एवरी इनकरेक्ट आंसर के लिए माइनस 2 मार्क्स. इट मीन्स कि अगर एक गलत आंसर है तो उसके लिए माइनस 2 मार्क्स एंड 0 फॉर ईच द क्वेश्चन नॉट अटेम्प्टेड, और जो क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट ही नहीं किया गया उसके लिए 0 मार्क्स है. सो वी हैव टू सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 2 3 अकॉर्डिंग टू गिवन कंडीशन. Let us solve question number 8. Student, in previous video We have already read question number 8. Here given that for every correct answer 5 marks, and for every incorrect answer -2 marks, and for not attempted question 0 marks. It means student कि वन करेक्ट आंसर के लिए हमको 5 मार्क्स मिलेगा, वन इनकरेक्ट आंसर के लिए -2 मार्क्स, एंड नॉट अटेम्प्टेड क्वेश्चन के लिए 0 मार्क्स. नाउ हियर गिवन क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट. रवि गेट्स 4 करेक्ट एंड 6 इनकरेक्ट आंसर. Ravi gets 4 correct and 6 incorrect answer. What is his score? So student, we know that for every correct answer 5 marks. So for 4 correct answer, so let us solve. For 4 correct answer marks is equal to, student, for 1 correct answer के लिए 5 marks. So for 4 correct answer, 4 into 5, we get 20 marks. Now for 6 incorrect answer, for 6 incorrect answer marks is equal to, student, we know that every incorrect answer -2 marks. So 6 incorrect answer, 6 into -2, we get -12. So student, what is his score? Therefore score is equal to, total score 20 plus -12. Now we solve here. 20 plus minus 20 minus 12, we get 8. It means student, his score is 8 marks. This answer. Now question number 2. Renu gets 5 correct and 5 incorrect answer. What is his score? Renu 5 correct and 5 incorrect. So for 5 correct answer marks, 5 करेक्ट आंसर के लिए मार्क्स कितने हो जाएंगे? 1 करेक्ट आंसर के लिए 5 मार्क्स, तो 5 करेक्ट आंसर के लिए 5 into 5, we get 25 marks. And 5 incorrect marks. And for 5 incorrect answer marks, 5 incorrect आंसर के लिए मार्क्स हो जाएंगे 5 इनकरेक्ट. 1 इनकरेक्ट के लिए -2, तो 5 इनकरेक्ट के लिए 5 into -2, we get -10. 5 to 10. Now his score is equal to, here 25 plus -10, get 25 plus -10, we get 15. This is your answer. Now in this question number 8, have one question also. Question number 3rd. Hina gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect answer. What is his score? For 2 correct answer, तो करेक्ट आंसर के लिए मार्क्स हो जाएंगे स्टूडेंट. वी नो दैट फॉर 1 करेक्ट आंसर के लिए 5 मार्क्स है, और फॉर 1 इनकरेक्ट आंसर के लिए -2 मार्क्स है. तो हियर फॉर 2 करेक्ट आंसर के लिए मार्क्स कितने हो जाएंगे? 2 into 5 equal to 10. And for 2 and for 5 incorrect, and for 5 incorrect आंसर्स मार्क्स 5 इनकरेक्ट के लिए 5 into -2 we get -10. Therefore his score is equal to 10 plus -10. After solving 10 plus -10 we get 0. So student, this is the solution of question number 8 का 1, 2 and 3. Student, please note, this is the multiplicative inverse which have left in previous videos about properties of integers. Multiplicative inverse, and in previous video we know that additive inverse में what is when any positive integer has the additive inverse, it's negative integer, and negative integer has the additive inverse as positive integer. But here is a multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse of a non-zero integer a is the number 1 upon a. Multiplicative inverse of a non-zero integer a is the number 1 upon a. It means student कि सिंस कोई इंटीजर a है तो उसका मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स जो होगा उसका रेसिप्रोकल 1 अपॉन a, और सपोज 1 अपॉन a है तो उसका मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स इसका रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा, 1 अपॉन a का रेसिप्रोकल a हो जाएगा. फॉर दिस वी हैव सम एग्जांपल्स. सपोज 2, देन व्हाट इज द मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स ऑफ 2? मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स ऑफ 2 इज 1 अपॉन 2. It means reciprocal. Suppose you have one example, suppose 1 upon 6. Then what is the multiplicative inverse of 1 upon 6? तो इसका रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे तो 1 upon 6 का रेसिप्रोकल 1 upon 6. It means 6 ऊपर चला जाएगा तो क्या आ जाएगा 6 अपॉन 1, जिसको ओनली हम 6 भी राइट कर सकते हैं. इट मीन्स स्टूडेंट अगर 1 अपॉन कोई इंटीजर होगा तो उसका रेसिप्रोकल, उसका मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स ओनली इंटीजर, और कोई इंटीजर है उसका रेसिप्रोकल यानी उसका मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स 1 अपॉन 2. सो स्टूडेंट, दिस इज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ इंटीजर्स मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स. नाउ नेक्स्ट one property has left, modulus of integer. The modulus of an integer a denoted by mod a is defined as mod a is equal to a if a is positive or 0 minus a if a is negative. It means student here modulus of an integer, suppose कोई integer है तो उसका जो modulus होगा उसको इस symbol से हम denote करते हैं a, where a is any integer and this is the sign of modulus. a if तो उसकी जो वैल्यू होगी वो वही इंटीजर होती है, सेम इंटीजर. बट व्हेन a इज पॉजिटिव, इट मीन्स कि वो इंटीजर अगर पॉजिटिव है तो पॉजिटिव होगी, और जब वो इंटीजर निगेटिव है, a इज निगेटिव है, तो उस इंटीजर का निगेटिव हो जाएगा. फॉर दिस वी हैव एग्जाम्पल सम. सपोज 6. Then what is the modulus of this 6? It can read as modulus of 6 and it can written as this type. Then its value is 6. Suppose when modulus of -6, what is the value of -6? Modulus of -6, here minus and here -6, because in modulus -6 और ये माइनस फॉर्मूले में है मेरा -a, सो हियर माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा. इट मीन्स जो वैल्यू आएगी वो पॉजिटिव. इट मीन्स वी हैव कंक्लूड दैट फ्रॉम दिस दैट मॉडुलस ऑफ एनी पॉजिटिव और इंटीजर, एनी पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव इंटीजर हैव द पॉजिटिव इंटीजर. So student, this is the modulus of integer. Student, in previous video we have solved exercise 1b, and in this video we have to solve exercise 1c, question number 1, divide. Now we comes to question number 1, divide. Student, here note some rules of division of integers. For divide one integer to the other integer. For divide one integer to the other integer. This is rule 4. Suppose when you have two integer, one integer in positive and second integer is negative, then we have the negative. It means कि जब हम पॉजिटिव इंटीजर और पॉजिटिव इंटीजर का निगेटिव इंटीजर से डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमको निगेटिव इंटीजर मिलेगा. सिमिलरली व्हेन वी डिवाइड वन इंटीजर नेगेटिव by the other integer positive, then we get negative integer. Next, when we divide a negative integer by the other integer is also negative integer, we get the positive integer. When we divide a positive integer by the other integer also positive integer, we get the positive integer. It means student, when one integer divided by the other integer and integers has the unlike signs, then we get minus in result. And when integers have the same sign, suppose minus minus or plus plus, then after dividing we get the positive result. Now we comes to our first question. Here 65 by minus 13. Here we have to divide 65 by minus 13. Here 65 is positive and 13 is negative. So student, here it can be written as 65 divided minus 13. Now 65 divided minus 13. Here 65 is plus and here minus. Plus and minus integers have unlike signs, then in result also minus sign, and 13 5s are 65. We divide 13 5s are 65 minus 5. This is your answer. 13 से 65 आप डिवाइड कर दीजिए. 13 बन जा 13, 13 5 जा 65 minus 5. It means student, when positive and negative, it means unlike integers we divide, then we get answer is also negative. Now we divide next question. Here minus 84 divided by 12, minus 84 12. 12 7 ja 84 minus 7. It's your answer. Next, minus 72 divided by minus 18. Here student, you see integers have the same sign. It means answer will be in positive. Minus 72 upon minus 18. 18 4 ja 72 and our sign is positive because integers have the same sign. So our answer is in positive. So student, in this question number 1 have the question numbers 1 to 12. 1 to 12 left questions student to yourself in homework. And now question number 2, filling the blanks student, it is also you have to do. And question number 3 also, if you have any problem you asked me. Okay student, thanks.